Hi traders, welcome back to JJB Trading Academy. So in the previous videos continuously we are posting related to our automated trading strategy. Totally we are now doing only automated trading system, as well as we are also posting the services related to WhatsApp tip service and normal manual indicator trading also. So in the previous videos we have also discussed about the 3 minutes time frame Banknifty strategy. So now we are going to see a new input settings which will be giving you more than 90% accuracy in Bank Nifty index. So totally how this happening and how the trades are taken for this strategy, how it's working, and how we got 90% accuracy through this strategy we are seeing totally in this video. So I wish every traders to watch this video till the end. Then only you can understand what is going on inside the strategy and how we can make maximum 90% accuracy. So till now we have not done this much accuracy with the automation, as well as in strategy performance we could not get this much accuracy because market is more volatile. Even though in this volatile market we are getting 90% accuracy is best accuracy. So till now we have seen. So you can see this video till the end, then only you can understand how our strategy is working. And if you have not subscribed to our channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button. Then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our channel. So, and I wish every traders to watch the previous videos to understand how the strategy is gradually giving. We are what are all the updates we are giving. You need to understand so that you can see the previous videos. So this is one of the first video we have posted related to the 3 minutes time frame strategy. So now you can see this video totally. So first of all, I have opened the Bank Nifty index chart with 3 minutes time frame, and I have included our new updated version 2.0. So now I have included our strategy. So now you can see almost this strategy we are getting for premium version only. So I am just using premium version for TradingView. So we are getting backtest for almost past 1 year. So past 1 year our strategy has given the performance net profit of 6,260, and the trades counting it has taken 654, and the percentage of profitable is 91.59 percentage. So you can see now perfectly, you can see how the strategy is working with 91.59 percentage. So I will be explaining you what are all the inputs criteria we have given for this strategy, the previous strategy as it is there, and we have also included some of the trailing stop loss method, as well as we have given some conditions to target whatever you are interested to configure inside the settings. We have given default inside the settings. So now whatever changes the timing, if you want to change, or if you want to change the target, if you want to change the stop loss, everything we have given default in the inputs itself. So if you are a good analyzer, then you can make any changes with our strategy, and you should see the strategy backtest first of all, and you should know what is the maximum risk involved in the strategy, and then only you can implement the strategy perfectly. So first, before entering into the video, I will be explaining the basic importance of our strategy. Now I am just going on to the settings of our indicator. So once you click on the settings of our indicator, you will be having the inputs tab. So in this inputs tag, if you have enabled this, then you will be getting the backtest for 2021 till this date. So I now the date is 2023 5 January. So you can see our strategy is taking the entry from 9:21 candle till 12:15 candle. So this is what the maximum accuracy we can increase. So we have done many backtests, and this accuracy gives a good returns, as well as it's giving a good performance also. It's not maximum, it is not reducing the net profit, as well as it is giving you 91% accuracy. So that only we have given this timing, as well as the exit is 318. So maximum 321 it will be exceeded the all trades. So this is only intraday strategy, there is no positional trading, full and full intraday strategy. We need to know what is the logic here. First of all, the target is 24 points. So once the entry is taken, the target is only 24 points here. So once the 24 points target is met, the condition will be squaring off, as well as if our previous condition is there in live, then again the trade will be taken. So you can see this trade has been taken here. So perfectly, once the trade is taken, once the 24 points target met, in the close of the candle, again if the condition is satisfied, it will be taking you the next entry. So again and again it will be taking. If the condition is not satisfied, it will be leaving. So you can see perfectly after reaching the this target, the market has returned, but our strategy is perfectly not taken any entry. So if it is taken also, it will be met with a stop loss, but even this trade is not taken. This is how the strategy accuracy is increasing. So you need to know how the accuracy of the strategy is increasing because of the 24 points target, as well as it is a filtered condition. This is a filtered high accuracy condition, so that regular trades in whatever the turns of the market, it will not be giving you the condition. If there is no high probable condition for that market, it will not be taking the trade. Some days it might also miss the trend, or it might also miss the market also, but you should not be worried. You should see the performance of the strategy year wise. So now you have seen the strategy performance year wise, then perfectly you should implement till year wise. You should not do any emotion inside the market, because whatever we do in live market, it will be affecting the total performance of the market. So total performance of the strategy will be getting affected. So if you see 6,260 points has been achieved. If you are making any mistakes in live market, if you are squaring off any position on the trade with loss, if you are squaring off, if that trade has been met with the profit, means you will not be getting sure shot, you will not be getting 6,260 points. So whatever performance we are saying and whatever accuracy we are saying, if you want to capture the same performance, surely no emotion should be there. So for that only, automated trading is more important for every traders. So automated trading will be helping every traders should not be making any emotions inside the market. So once you log into the morning, you just do any monitoring the trade. It's more important. So first of all, once we implement the strategy, you should see whether the strategy is taking the entry perfectly in your demat. You just do the monetization for at least for 1 week. You just see how the strategy is giving the performance. So if the strategy is giving perfectly the trade entry as well as exit and option selection, everything is going right, then continuously implement the strategy and make patience and implement the strategy till year wise. So month wise, we could not say strategy is going to be a good profitable. So we could not perfectly say that. But even though if we implement the strategy throughout the year, you will be getting a good result. So that is what you need to understand. And another important thing we have included in this strategy is, if you click on the inputs, you can see intraday and the target and the stop loss you can see. So once if you are enabling our take profit method, there is another method to be making another big lot size. If you are making, you can exit half of position quantities, so that only this take profit method will be helpful for you. So if you enable the take profit method, then once the first target 24 point has been met, first quantity will be exited. And if you are so for example, so if you are giving two lot as a, so two quantity I have given. So now you can see, once the first target has been met, 24 points has been met, then in first quantity exit, the first quantity I am just exiting, and in the second quantity exit also I will be exiting second. So you should understand that once the first target is met, it will be squaring off the position of one lot, and the remaining position, it will be taking the trial to the cost to cost of the previous entry point, and it will be trailing till the next target. Next target will be same 24 points. So once the second 24 points is met, then this trial will be, so the trade is closed. Totally the two position has been closed here. So there is the next entry only, it is taken here. So this is another method you can use for take profit. So if you are using for more than big targets, you can use this method. For example, if you are using for 85 points. So this is just for example, I am just saying. So if you are doing with three lots, for example, so you can see right now. So you can see now this market. Okay. So let us take another example. So in this day, you can see the 85 points target has been met in the first target. So the first target in the one quantity has been exceeded, the take profit one, and after our trailing stop loss and our stop loss has been came back to the cost to cost. So the same point entry point, the stop loss is came right now. So there is no loss right now. If the market is hunting also, there will be no loss. And now you can see perfectly the second target has been met, even though we have implemented with three 3 quantity, so that it has exceeded 2 quantity, and after that it is working with 0.5 percentage. So this, if you have implemented 0.1, means after hitting the 2 targets in this market, it will be trailing with the fast moving with trailing stop loss 0.1 percentage from the entry point. So every candle it will be calculating only 0.1 percentage. So total market is covered right now. So you can see the entry has been taken here, the first target met here, second target met here, and if you are using the trailing final target, the final third quantity is trailed with 0.1 percentage. So till the market close, if the market is giving you the close, once the candle is closed above the trailing stop loss, then it will be exiting the another remaining third quantity. So it will be exited perfectly. You can see till this point to this point the market is covered. So this is how the strategy is working for take profit method. Take profit method, if you enable, then it will be squaring of each half of positions, as well as it will be trailing the cost to cost position. So from the stop loss it will be trailed. So now the stop loss is 220 as per the take profit method. If you are disabling this take profit method, the stop loss will not be working, the stop loss point will not be working, but our 0.1 percentage will be working. So what is the 0.1 percentage? So you have given, so basically our default setup is 0.5 percentage for stop loss and 24 points as target, with full position exit in the target. So this is how it is giving us 91 point. So I am just I'll be resetting. So once you enable the take profit method, then it will be squaring off once the candle is closing above the stop loss level. So this is how it's working, so that it's increasing 91.59 percentage, and net profit is 6,260. And if you disable the take profit method, and if you use normal 0.5 percentage, now what is happening? So actually now 0.5 percentage is our stop loss. If the market is just touching our trailing stop loss, it will be squared off. The question will not be waiting until the candle close. Once the market, if you want to fixed point, if you want to do exit, for example, you can see here, this is what the question, our our trailing stop loss is from the entry 0.5 percentage. So once the 0.5 percentage trailing is touched, our our exit is happening. So perfectly the full position is exit here. So this is how, if you want to work, so you can see the almost 5,771 till now also it is giving you 5,771 points in Banknifty. So if you want to capture the same points as per the index, if you want to go with uh, options, means you can do with 3 ITM strike price. So for from Monday to Wednesday you can do with 3 ITM strike price, and in Thursday market kindly you need to change the strike price to next week expiry. Then only the option decay will not be more, because our strategy is perfect with almost 91.28 percentage accuracy. If you want to implement the strategy perfectly as it is the points nearest to the index point, then surely you should implement the strike price at least with ITM strike price 300 points. So once you gradually implement our strategy, you should not see the losses. So whatever the loss is happening, again we are going to recover the loss. So like this only the strategy should be there. One day if you are seeing the strategy, and if you are making many changes, means continuous growth of the strategy will be affected, as well as this strategy also have a drawdown some months. For this total year we have seen the back test, even though if we see with the previous deep back testing. So I'm just disabling this. So we just go on with the previous year. For example, I am just we are getting the deep back test option. This deep back test option will be working only with premium version. So we are having TradingView premium version, right? So then only we can use this deep back testing option. So in deep back testing option, we can see the back test for 2021 also. So previously we have seen the list of trades from 2022 524 till this date. We are seeing the backtest. Okay, so almost 12 months we are getting the backtest for our normal version. Premium version, normal, we are getting the total backtest here. If you want to go deep backtesting, then you can go beyond this. So 2022, right? So I am just going to do a deep backtest. So I have just given for 2021 only, because more than this it will not be available. From this month also I am just okay. So I have just selected till date. So now you can see the backtest from 2021 5/28. So this is what the backtest from this date till now we are seeing. So almost 19 months we are getting the backtest right now from deep backtesting. So you can see the overview performance. The overview performance is 5860, and our accuracy rate is slightly, it has been changed to 89.17%. So almost you can see this point we are getting hit by our strategy. It's almost 2 months we are getting hit by our strategy. So we need to understand every strategy, whatever strategy you are implementing, there is a drawdown for each and every strategy. So we need to understand the drawdown and how much period it's take to recover for that strategy. You need to understand first, and then only you can implement every strategy. This is more important. Whatever strategy you do, first of all you need to convert the strategy to, as a in trading with signals or any backtesting tool, you should understand how the strategy is working, and in strategy you should see the max drawdown of the strategy and max profit of the strategy and accuracy of the strategy. So perfectly we are seeing the full backtest of the strategy, and then only we are going to implement. So surely this strategy will be giving you more than 90%, at least 90% throughout the year. So almost we have seen for 19 months of the backtest. So according to this only we are going to implement. If you want to implement our strategy, you can WhatsApp us right now on 7200556708. I wish every traders to get access with our indicator. Surely day by day profit this strategy is ending, because many strategies we have implemented previously, almost it's giving 50%, 40%, almost 60% also we have seen. But this is what it's we have captured with just decreasing the target with 24, and stop loss is 0.5. So now we have achieved almost 90% accuracy. So surely I wish every traders can be benefited by this strategy. Most of the traders has been implemented this strategy with TradeTron platform as well as Nestle bot. So if you want to get access, WhatsApp us right now on 7200556708. If you have not subscribed to our channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button. I will be meeting you in the next video. Thank you, traders.